Okay, so this is a story about three losers. So you see, the big one running like a pig is a loser number one in white shorts. Then the other one is in black t-shirt, is a loser number two. And loser number three, the very skinny one, not much difference with a stick in his hands, is loser number three. His name is Askaf. The other two are Fuksit and Azif, aka Bulka, aka Chicken Brain. Okay, so the story about there is, if you pay a little bit attention, there is one girl, but she's not a loser, she's a good cooker. So no negative thoughts about you, only positive. But the other three all negative thoughts. So let me start with a guy in a black t-shirt. He is so annoying. Sometimes he just pisses me off. So he's just, like, sometimes he just copy my style, he walks like me, he talks like me, he behaves like me, and he eats like me. Okay, so he's kind of weird guy. Yeah, actually they are all awkward people. Okay, so the loser number two is very annoying as well. There you see the girl. You see, even loser number two is scared of you. Okay, so loser number two is a crazy one. It's like, as I said, sleeps like a pig, and eats like a pig, and smokes like a pig, even so pig doesn't smoke. Okay, so, and he annoys me. He's actually, my roommate. Hey, wait, where is the pig? Right over there. So, it's kind of disturbing a bit that he's and what else? He will tell stuff people don't laugh, and he would laugh. He would be the only one person laughing in the room. The other one would be quiet. Okay, the skinny one, he's just skinny one and awkward one. He also can come touch your stomach and smile and be like, think negatively of him. Yeah. Okay, so this basically is it.